Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today I am going to show you how to hardware factory reset your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2, essentially restoring it back to its original state where you took it out of the box. Now, this is extremely useful if you wish to permanently unpair it from your phone, or if there are glitches that you can't resolve, maybe starting from scratch would be the best idea. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please watch my previous video on other various methods of fixing some issues with the OG SmartTag, a lot of which can be carried over here. So let's get into it, shall we? First, we're going to remove the battery compartment by inserting the pin through the tiny hole on the top on the inside of the ring. You're going to push down with a little bit of force to eject the compartment. Now that the battery is out, we are going to press and hold the SmartTag button. Now keep holding that button while you reinsert the battery. Keep the button held down for at least 10 seconds. You'll hear a sequence of beeps, in which now you can let go of the button. Your SmartTag2 is now back to factory. If you liked this video, hit that like button, and if you enjoyed my content, please consider subscribing to this humble YouTube channel. Alright, cheers guys.